Welcome to our channel. If you've lost your Roku TV remote or it's not working, don't worry. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn up the volume on your Roku TV without using a remote. Whether your remote is misplaced or out of battery, there are a few simple ways to adjust the volume. Let's dive in. Method 1. Use the physical buttons on your Roku TV. Most Roku TVs come with physical buttons located directly on the TV itself. These buttons allow you to control volume, power, and other basic functions. Locate the buttons on your Roku TV. These are typically located on the side or bottom of the TV bezel. Look for the volume up plus button. Press the volume up plus button to increase the volume. Tip: if you can't find the buttons, check your TV's manual for their exact location. Method 2. Use the Roku mobile app. You can also use your smartphone as a Roku remote through the Roku mobile app. This method works on both iOS and Android. Download the Roku app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, if you don't already have it. Open the Roku app and sign in with the same Roku account linked to your TV. Tap on the remote icon at the bottom of the screen to access the virtual remote. Use the volume up, plus, and volume down buttons on the virtual remote to adjust the volume. Method 3. Use a universal remote. If you have a universal remote that supports Roku TV, you can use it to control the volume. Set up your universal remote according to the instructions provided with it. Once connected to your Roku TV, use the volume buttons on the universal remote to adjust the sound. Method 4. Control volume via HDMI if supported. If your Roku TV is connected to an external device, such as a soundbar or an HDMI-enabled receiver, you may be able to control the volume through HDMI-CC. Enable HDMI-CC on your Roku TV by going to Settings, System, Control Other Devices, CEC. Ensure that the device connected via HDMI, e.g., soundbar or receiver, supports volume control through HDMI-CC. Once enabled, use the controls on your connected device, soundbar or receiver, to adjust the volume. Now you know how to turn up the volume on your Roku TV without needing a remote. Whether you use the physical buttons, the Roku app, a universal remote, or HDMI-CC, you have plenty of options to get the sound just right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.